Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, now we'll start again, and this time I'll do I might just go to 10, I don't know, or should I do 6? What do you think? 10 newton, so I do more 6 newton meters than 10 newton meters? Or go straight to 10. Yeah. I'll go straight to 10. Oh, it doesn't say to do it separately, so I will. Okay, 1 is at the front again. And just put the socket on there, please. Okay, 1, 2 is at the back. That's 10 mil. Yep. 2. Number 3 down the front. Number 4. Down here, yep. Number 5 at the top. Six, the back one. Seven is the one at the back behind, so you'll need to use actually I think this one. Seven. 8 is the front one. Nine. And that's down the bottom, back to the socket. So I might just, can you just put that piece of wood under? Yep. So it's down here. It's 9. Number 10 is the front one. $11 is back to the stud. $12 goes right through down the bottom. 13. 14 was on this side. 15 is down the bottom. And 16. And that should be all of them done. I'll just turn this around.